Hi folks, today I bring a panel of a car radio with the brand LG XDSS and the model is the LAC score M2500R. This panel has a PT6523 reference, and the funny thing is that they implemented the chip under had the LCD support. This means that to access the IC it is necessary to remove the support and solder the backlight LEDs. This driver handles up to 156 segments sent all in one block. The keys work in the parallel mode with one row for each group, and each key has a resistance associated with the GND button. It was a quadruple rotary knob and one infrared receiver. I'm not going to spend time to these two items as they haven't been covered before, so we avoid lengthening the video. Connections is the same as always. Data in, clock, chip enable, GND. I would like to point out here that despite being marked as a VDD, it is a 5 volts DC because the only thing on the way to the driver is a 100 resistor and go direct to the PT6523 power supply. Is necessary to pay attention to this detail, okay? When the name of the VDD is used, it implies a supply voltage regulation system to the VCC implemented in the panel, which is not the case here, okay? Then we have a pin for LCD backlight near of the 10 volts DC, and a pin for the lightning of the keys, the set of the keys with the name LED. The electrical diagram is available on the web, and by searching with keywords like LG, DSS, LAC score M2500R, you can easily find it. This will be a good help. To establish the relation between the numbers and the segments, I used one button, implement a line of the code with a trigger to the button, and every time I press the button, skip the number of the segment from the one to another, and at the same time I present the number of the segment in the ID of the monitor of the Arduino. Here you can see the connections of the wires. In this case you have the GND to the pin 1. The direction is this: pin 1, pin 7, pin 8, pin 14. GND, Q1, Q2, init, data in, clock. The other side you have the VDD, in this case already make the alert, is a 5 volts DC, okay, because go direct to the power of the IC. The pin to the backlight of the LCD, in this case is 4 LEDs, 2 in each side, 2 in this side and 2 in this. Also you have a pin to power up the voltage of the keys, these small green LEDs here. over the blue, in this case, this here. After you have the two pins of the knob button, you have the up direction and down direction. This is the pin of the infrared receiver. In this case, is this here, and that is all. Oh, of course, here you have a second GND pin. The schematic is available in the web. Is easy to find.